So I found this really quick and easy way to draw vector illustrations or even logos using Dall-E from OpenAI and Figma. Just by having an idea like cat wearing sunglasses, you can get an illustration in under 30 seconds, maybe 60. Here's the cat wearing the sunglasses, and it's completely vector. Change the color, or even stretch it to infinity. How about an astronaut playing a banjo floating on an island? Again, a vector with a few more layers. Not a banjo though. Stupid smiling donkey with buck teeth wearing glasses. You get the point. To use Dall-E, go to openai.com and sign up for free. Type in whatever you can imagine. Try a few different variations. Yeah, look at their examples to get some inspiration. Then download something with a cleaner background. Go to png to svg.com and upload your file there. It's going to give you SVG for free. Play around with the settings a bit. The number of colors is the number of layers you're going to get. And simplify is try it. Well, that's it. Now move it to Figma, remove the crap, and you got your vector. I'm gonna paste the logo to a component I already made and use it on my website header. There you go, a completely vector logo just by thinking cat with sunglasses.